You make me bam bam. You make my body go bam bam. Hey, hey, go face it. Hey, yeah, go face it. Baby set, go face it. Oh yeah, now, oh, something about you I just can't say. Ha! Hey, feeling in my heart, they bust my brain. Hey. Oh baby, oh, tell me what you say. Ha! Oh, I the grace, I the mad, oh yeah, what again? Yeah, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul, feeling in my body and feeling in my head too. Oh yeah, baby, come to be official. Hey, you the make
Get it. Yes, so. We don't come, we don't show again. Now we be the ones when they call the bubbles yarn.
Yep,
we don't show again to your screen.
Yep.
Now so we they appear, abracadabra. Aya biago.
Get how the future they play music.
Aya biago.
Ogo.
You just not talk anything there.
I just the
Just keep quiet.
I dey happy.
If everybody
just
talk for this
no
bar,
talk,
you make sure no.
Just not talk. This you see this
I
craze.
sound like you.
No minor.
What happened?
You go.
Come and shut up.
Where you go?
You don't tell me say your number don't turn to 070. I shall only me.
So don't me and you there where I go rescue this guy. What
Rescue
You
you.
rescue. You go
Rescue
there.
who?
Go carry.
You go there carry him phone. After when you go rescue him, you come carry him phone. Take
back.
address. Go back there. Go come cash it.
Why you not come back? Yesterday and day first.
Wait happen.
So wait, I go back to the same person we have been there with where you introduce me give again.
When you there with
Your lie don't make sense with that. You know that.
Who introduce give you?
No, you tell me.
Tell me everything now.
Say rating. Hey, Shakara can lie to the public.
Thank God say na boys quarter and I should even put you.
But how your own mean? You don't tell them how
in
you
house now. I go flex. Yes. I flex. Everything should cook for me.
No, funny enough, me, I just manage escape with these few outfits. My brother, she don't carry.
You go do gardener there.
You go start this show, I don't go through hell. Say I miss bar for 2 days, I don't come out. Don't annoy me. If you annoy me, I go back there. I mean, sorry, I will start.
Go back there.
I'm not slip of
Go
tongue.
back there.
Slip of teeth.
Nandeba, you are welcome, Jare.
Again.
Yes, the matter for today.
I miss matter. I miss matter.
Let me clean my mouth first. Because this matter,
Matter is a sweet girl.
Matter is a sweet girl.
I beg, it is good make you dey get cranking timetable with your partner.
Sex timetable.
Timetable to crank. It good make you get am with your partner.
They go right.
They go right time.
It is.
Monday.
Where,
you go kiss Tuesday.
You
go pop for Wednesday.
See, now for
Thursday.
I believe saying a big man ain't going to get those kind of
yes, we are not going
One
to used to this kind of situation. Yes, I understand una. You know, because even me I did wrong.
Now God go help me. Your head the craze there.
Don't be lying now. For instance now, I know because clearly you know how most times I know I dey very busy. So I have to have a timetable. Say my wife.
Hey.
Now today Monday night be your day. Imagine Dangote or my father-in-law Buhari them.
Shut up here.
Wait,
Ugo.
you dey call am your father-in-law after in national TV we have exposed you.
No mind
So
now.
what?
You expect him to still give
The
his
God,
daughter to you.
the God I serve is bigger than all our plans. He know they work.
Meanwhile, this timetable cranking matter. Me, woman who I marry, let me say she dey very busy. And she come plan timetable say, oh boy, it's only on Monday night. Because
forget that.
No, that don't make am bad. It's not only on Monday night. It go give you some other days.
No, if she's very busy, okay, wait, I come. Let me say, you don't say like Monday, Wednesday, and maybe Saturday. 3 times a week, not even timetable again.
But okay, that one dey okay for you, man.
Timetable.
Maybe do I go for streets when they come back?
That one dey okay for you.
Sex timetable.
No, you no good like that, so.
Yeah, sometimes it good.
No, that one no good though. The thief catch you anywhere now. You no good though, man. I have to like him because I forget. You understand now? It can be anytime, so I'm not interested in that.
Is it food? No.
if it's in catch me now, you suppose do as in any time.
Is it food?
Well, if the two partner, they're very busy. Maybe the two of them work, and maybe they leave home very early and they come back late night, and two of them are tired. You understand? In that type of respect, if two of them will get the power for a good show. So sometimes it's better to give timetable to say maybe every 2 days or 3 days or weekends. In that respect.
So that time me, I don't agree with that one at all. If you catch you anywhere, so since now your wife, you get right. So me, I don't agree with sex timetable at all.
Yes, welcome back.
I don't even understand. Showman, Ugo, Ugo don't make me, I don't even verse. Timetable. So somebody say sex 3 times a week. Is that timetable?
Yes.
But wait.
People without timetable. Some people make love 2 times a week.
A week without timetable.
Now, may I tell you?
That not be timetable.
Ma,
That
you-
are normal.
But wait,
don't be normal. Don't be normal.
Wait, make I ask
For
you a question.
instance.
If for when you dey even marry, say you dey marry, and if they talk, then if they get that saying we talk, say you and your wife now waiting one. No be so. Major reason why you are married is for companionship. So when your head they do, when your antenna they rise,
Make
for
I explain,
cranking,
Shakara,
why
say
must you
that-
have a timetable?
Make
What if at the time when you want
anything-
cranking, your wife say no one cranking?
Anything where you don't draw table, put time. Na timetable. You get food.
I
People
know.
get food timetable.
I know.
Why you know
I
they
know.
complain? Say
Say
you
if
want
na-
to
if
say
I-
they say Nagari go chop on this on Sunday you go chop afternoon morning. This one nobody they complain. Anything where this thing where we talk about some people dey natural when we say they want to dey crank maybe for 4 hours or maybe every evening when they come back for work na cranking. Madam no say she no go feed the even most men.
Okay.
Even most men say they very busy. They fit no get the time to even dey.
But you know, say
Well-
some women they will say that they use this thing as advantage to deny their husbands.
Okay,
or their
what if
men
we
for
marry
sex.
2 or 3 wives?
And now you married to we talk
Nah,
of
yeah,
one
yeah,
person.
timetable for
We
sex.
are talking about one man, one woman.
Not polygamous.
We don't
people.
polygamy.
Excuse
here.
me.
You
Why
are-
you
you
discriminating?
You are
polygamous man.
upcoming polygamous married man.
Hey,
polygamous
yeah,
man.
You know,
I
say
don't
you
care.
get upcoming artists for everything.
Yes, sir. You know that now upcoming polygamous man.
You understand?
I am looking to the face of everybody. One wife,
Okay.
one vote, one wife. Say Baba. Say.
Shut up, James. See as I did.
Yeah.
Let me say now my wife. Now I come busy where maybe kind of because I kind of she come plan timetable for me. Maybe our timetable come be say cranking now only Tuesday. Then we just come day. One Friday she dey dress. We be say that day no be cranking day. And I just dey pass where she did.
I lose God.
You know say no late, you know say if you push woman head like this, she go down.
So.
And then another thing go face up. No be cranking day.
Yeah.
I just dey pass.
Yeah.
You dey mirror the
But let me tell you.
you just receive
No, but listen. Nobody is telling you say if you ask your wife, if your wife dey, for your wife to even dey, when you feel say and push the head, that means say she fit give am to you. We are talking of the reason why most women they bring out timetable. Now either for 2 reasons. Some women no like sex that much. So if like man we don't you don't talk story for way man they always collect because they call say okay go they collect how many for you can't collect pass collect extra. So if you don't want sex too much to solve the problem he tell the man say make we draw timetable. If he be say if people be once every day some men the way they want them
Woman.
twice a day.
So man.
But wait,
woman
make I-
wey
make
no
I-
like cranking. Wait fi come dey tell you say man a plan
Timetable for
that
cranking.
means you are not good.
Do you know a
If you
woman?
are good,
Hey, I want to
if
speak
you
for the
are
woman.
good,
But wait.
Do you know a woman can plan a timetable just for her husband because the husband is never available? What are you telling me?
But why would you
if
plan
you
a
plan-
timetable in the first place? But wait, to make I ask one question. No matter how busy your husband be,
Yeah.
you will say you be woman. You don't have in office.
Wait, let me wait.
No,
Hold
wait.
on.
Wait, to spice
Ugo,
some,
no.
you get some
Ugo,
relationships
no.
wey be say you need to spice up.
Ugo, no.
You go not say no be
Make we
every
use our
couple
boss.
agree.
Make we use our boss. Make we use our boss, Amin Musali.
Okay,
A very busy man.
I never get alert. Only you just dey talk.
A very busy, a very busy man. No, a very busy man like that.
Yes.
So are you going to tell me that my boss is always busy?
Please, I know
Shut up, let me not
my
finish.
card, oh. He knows his card.
Has an open door policy. Just imagine say our boss, where in glass, everything that glass, they see through. So make him wife. Come enter inside office cause
They'll put curtain for glass. No be glass. Glass go get curtain.
You don't kill our guy.
Glass get blind.
Get blind.
He get blind. You go put the blind.
You see, I like using Musali because
But seriously, this point where Ugo bring. You know,
Make us
some
time.
people, if they marry, they stop to date their wife, and then they will remain married to the woman. That period of dating, you know, is different from marriage. So some people they even cut the chain. Say boyfriend and girlfriend.
I always talk and say that thing wey you dey do when una dey date, if una marry, do am times 2.
So let me tell you, it does not apply every time. You know why they talk so? You don't go understand because maybe when they see una self, say I go reach that level, when I go get the kind of money where they see, or you can't dey very busy. You to always get busy.
You don't pass the level to get the money.
No, I never read. I did very close.
You and Davido.
In fact,
who's
senior?
You take senior.
All fingers are not equal.
Davido too old, self. Davido too
old.
old. Bring small children. Kiss Daniel.
Let me tell you, Davido, all the Kiss Daniel, they are tomato plants. They are tomato plants. I am a tree.
All you cash.
I am a tree. They are all tomato plants. Their fruit goes soon with that. I am a tree rooted. It takes time. Before you know it happen, it will take me like 10 years.
But you know when
I live forever.
You know when I know say that Lucas na really small pikin. You know say for AY life when the boy they perform, they perform. Then one man come up bundle of money, come spray the boy. Then the boy keep microphone, open the cap. Not be joke. Begin pack money put inside cap. Pack money put inside cap.
My brother.
And wait. And I will hear say. They watch one video when they now see that Ukraine. You know, say you get one TV station they show that they write this thing. Now they can say was born in 1993. And they see me for sure. You know they greet me on cool.
Now they are small children now.
I come imagine 1993. That
talk.
means when would they watch USA 94?
That they song Bobby.
They song Bobby.
What of Amoba?
That with your tall.
With your tall. Even Don Jazzy itself. They say he did very young.
No.
They say I still Don Jazzy. I don't want to believe that thing.
The worst is Burna Boy.
Burna Boy. Say Burna Boy body day.
Wait,
I feel understand Don Jazzy.
Now cranking timetable we can't talk. Or now they analyze.
We are coming back to that one.
Yes,
after the opinion, but for now,
matters are rising.
And they feel it like Don Jazzy. Why they look very?
Matters are rising.
Usually they take that. They advertise for that milk. Don Jazzy. So that's why they make and they look like say. But you know, Burna Boy own. Nah, no understand.
You know, see the way Burna Boy come do interview for Wazobia FM. The guy from house.
You know where clothes.
You know where shirt.
I said always. I see Anna.
You only tattoo. Just come down.
He just open.
No verse. Moderator.
So
go back to
back to the matter now.
Ara menora.
I am speaking.
Asuma.
Look, for me,
I'm telling you.
Don't speak this kind of thing for here, beg.
Asuma. Wakuna bo.
Our fans for London, they what?
Yeah, get no na London, get no na Europe, no ya now. Akbe gaba ha bo. Name got his opinion. Iwe no ewe.
Even me I weak. I know people talk against them. I shot
name
for you.
his opinion now.
I bet Karen go.
Before young timetable.
You no good though.
No. You no good though because anytime my husband come inside, tell me say make we go on bed. So I'll surely go with him.
It's good because we can trust each other. If I'm not there, he go tell people say I trust my wife. She did for this place for that time. And when they go there, they go meet her there.
Why we will get sex timetable? If Azaz is my husband, anytime he wants it, I will give it to him. There's no sex timetable.
They not love. You know, you can play anytime and fall in love. You know, that time, maybe the time where you create the time, you no go like to have sex with that person. You can play anytime, any moment you feel like.
So it doesn't make any sense for you to have a timetable partner to be having sex.
It good though.
e good for me. E good because e good, sha. E good because if na plan on yourself well, you understand, to know when to meet each other, e go help una more. No be say at any time you just come out, even when you're in the mood or when you're not in the mood. So for that reason, he will know when to talk to you about it and when not to. You understand? E good more na plan and well. More na get the timetable keep down.
Welcome back. Now two bubbles down with you.
Carry the thing, they go with you. Carry how they go with you.
Where this man herself?
Waiter! Okay, go ahead, sorry.
I don't understand though. We go start to come this back.
No, some people will, everybody, some people they get money buy one bottle. People go buy one bottle for a bar, and then they worry pass.
And then they worry pass.
And then they will shout for waiter pass. Hey, waiter! Where's the bill?
You are the beer, we call
and person they buy drink for again. And then they shout pass. When you can't bring bill, you can't give them, say, okay, give my shaman.
I hate that thing there. But you know what, because they be like, say, if you know, that's the only moment where you feel sure,
say, I want to ask one question.
You relevant.
If you dare where we say your wife can't they put you on the timetable thing, that one means say anytime, you know, say this.
Why you do only on wife? What of where the man they put the woman?
Yes, I agree. Okay, let me put and say for both sides. You know, say this thing where we carry not get respect. Then anytime he just stand.
And he no go school.
No, he get respect. My own get respect. My own get self-control. My own they allergic to ugly people. In fact, my own is so he has self-respect, get control. I don't agree when you say that you no get. He has to. Why no get control?
You know what you're doing to yourself.
Wait.
You're preparing yourself for a part of hell. Because Bible says all liars shall go to hell. You know,
quote the chapter, the book.
You don't need it. The idea.
Then why you tell me that? Which I don't go look.
That is
I won't prove them.
I don't tell you. You know
it's in the Bible.
You know go from the.
You ain't go. Give me the Bible verse. Give me the place.
I study Bible right from when I small. You know that yellow Bible.
That yellow Bible. Then they go to my Bible story.
Bible story. When I greet see now, look at the come back on drink. Not like I don't know my path.
My brother, we have seen where that Bible carry you go. Now they bring you come to.
Say, make I tell you one thing. See this thing where we talk about.
Ugo, let me help you. Let me help you for instance. And I'm the talker because.
No, don't help me.
No,
you help me crank.
I know say we now go reach that level one day. No, cut me. You go reach that level where we say.
Oh yeah, you
go dey very busy.
Talk.
Imagine this political period where they do campaign for like 3, 4, 5 months. Your wife don't know now. Say clearly say 3 to 5 months. I say you know say you go dey very busy.
That one, no need of time.
What is freestyle? The woman don't wait the first day.
No.
And for instance, let me tell you why most women do it also. Do you know that most men, even in their busy schedule where they say they reform, they're busy, yes. They still they get time to crank outside.
Okay, wait, please, 1 minute.
So ignoring their wife.
1 minute, Oma. Let me take you back to waiting one of those Sicilian talk for Sicilian opinion. What if that day we be saying that the right day for the timetable of cranking and the mood?
No, they dead.
Maybe because something happened.
Yes, you're not getting. You know,
maybe that day they go announce election results.
Look, I don't finish my.
And your party come there among the one they call say, Kowa 9.
Hope.
No hope.
Hopeless.
And your party is there among those ones.
No. But my point is this. Let me tell you. Please. Everything get advantage and they get disadvantage. If now you be this woman now, where they all sit down, hot or not, and say, look, my dear, these 5 months where they come, say we go dey very busy. She already first say the first 2 months, you know, get time for them. Meanwhile, this man, they take care of himself outside. And she know. The woman now know say she don't fit go outside, go cheat. The only way she fits, because most times are from the thinking of how to solve the problem. Now I make woman or man go say they want timetable. They come and say, you know what, I'm not telling you, say me no do your campaign, no. If you never mention say you dey crank outside, you all keep quiet. All I'm asking you is that let us come together. Which day you know say you fit give me? You go to say, okay, maybe on Monday and they come back as early. Okay, make it be Monday. Wednesday. No problem. She will just get timetable because she's looking for.
But you know what still answer this our question?
Now the disadvantage
that cranky day.
The problem is that
time. Say the set time.
Now let me tell you. Let me tell you when you don't do timetable and you don't agree. First, the woman go first day in the mood because she don't ginger the timetable. She dey wait for the team whenever get am. The man, I don't see men wey don tell me say, oh boy, they drink for bar, they down this black drink, they down and down and say, today, say no fit escape and say they go house. His wife must crack him. Hold on, say he must crack his wife because he don't take away he crack his wife. So if you have a timetable, whether you like it or not, if it's your day, you must be in the mood, whether being male or female. You have to. When you get to my level, I'm not telling you that the timetable. I'm not telling you the timetable.
When you get to your level, you are telling an elder statesman. Say, you see, I've told you. No, everybody declare it because. What do you talk and say for in government? Everybody go declare assets and declare fitness.
If I declare fitness, that is why I think about experience. Experience is key.
Declare your own.
It's not by your age.
Brother,
I'm an experienced man.
Declare it.
I've told you from day one. I am called to the single ladies, widows, less privileged.
To help them, help
the helpless,
the less privileged.
Yes. So it's my ministry. I've been counseling for a long time now.
And then what about the ones where their husband
service them well?
That be the hopeless and the helpless.
The hopeless and the helpless.
So when you don't get this, you don't get calling. Me, I'm a natural talent. I know they do all this. I don't have to veg.
Check and well if you be miss call.
Kaimen what does spoil? This boy that does not have experience. Elder statesmen are talking, he's talking experience.
No problem. No problem.
I don't want to hear this.
Anything I want to talk.
Nah, suru now because suru.
See them.
For us, leave it for us.
My brother.
But when you
at your age, you are doing selfie.
When you age small now, your children can't make you delete your Facebook.
What will I be looking for in Facebook at age?
No, you know say if because by that time already you go hand over. You must hand over everything all your assets to your children. You get age where you go reach. Instagram you must give your children plus all the girlfriends where you don't get. It's all like when they post all those your nude pictures. I see your children come hey,
get one of my friend. Look at see what happen. Get one of my friend. One day she just did like this with her baby. She depressed. Now she just see friend request. Bah. Nah, papa. Guess what she said? She said, blood of Jesus. Devil, you are a liar. When she deletes her, she not accept it. She ignore. Then the father called the answer later say, I sent you a request on these few people's chatting. I didn't see it. That's how it used to be. Sometimes it takes 3 months for it to come. People say, I don't have time. Why would I wait for
3 months to chat with you?
Then she sent a request to some of her friends. They accept. Philo, I sent to my friends and they got it the same thing.
No, you know why they like our parents of these days? They know they agree. They don't do all these things when we do those days. So they won't do it now. I like one movie advert where I see where they all show the man just stand with one young girl. Apparently, this girl this man pikin friend. So that the man now they scope the girl. Now the girl tell her say, no, but you're my friend's daughter. I'm sorry, you're my friend's father. Then the man just look and say, I thought you would have said I'm too old for you. You know that mean? That means say you don't complain about old. Now just say so we can work on that one. We can solve the problem.
But really,
it's just a number.
I know talk to me, they know the social media, but and they against the fact of some of them they post nude pictures, do some crazy things.
Who they post new picture?
But I beg Shakara, you go fit take timetable.
Timetable, no.
Cranking timetable.
Because I'm a freestyler, just like I do comedy. I don't program some of my jokes. I don't plan. Just go to stage. Most things just come. And you get sometimes when we start, we just enter house. It depends on how you just take bend down the cook or take the. You know, say me I be no person wey sabi take excuse for cranking. You hear boom for back.
I will have said I will be on Shakara's side too because I know the timetable no good. But I also want to balance them. You must know, say, sometimes, what if problem dey and you need to get timetable, then you do it, my brother. It's not a problem.
Well, for me, anyhow it pay you, do am. But that timetable thing for Mua, we go matters.
Yes, for those who like sex too much, they like it. But us, we know to we no be sex addicts. We take it. We give it all because we don't love you because of sex.
You know, go close this show.
No, because I'm saying the truth. We don't love you for sex. We love you because of who you are.
We
love you for who you
the
are.
other day, na pray me.